We got what it's for. We got what it's for. Hey YouTube, Kyle here with another really quick product review. There comes a time in your life when you will get a P2004, 2005, 2006, and you will have to replace your intake manifold. This guy. So basically what happens is your intake manifold has a flap assembly inside. It's just basically a set of levers that moves back and forth. And the center lever right here breaks. Very common issue. It's applicable to the 272 and 273 engines, so your V6 and your V8 engines between, let's call it, 2006 and 2011. Essentially what happens is it requires you to replace your manifold. Our kit includes the intake manifold, the manifold gaskets, and the fuel injector seals, all 6 of them, which you'll need to perform the repair. On vehicles with higher mileage, maybe not the best maintenance history, we would not recommend replacing just the center lever that's broken. We recommend replacing the entire intake manifold because the plastic flaps that are inside get brittle, and unfortunately, after you repair the problem up here, it might cause one of the flaps to actually break and get sucked into your engine. So what was initially an intake manifold repair turns into a cylinder head removal. And that's why we recommend our intake manifold replacement kit. So depending on the position the manifold is stuck in, you may have drivability symptoms, or you might not feel anything and you just have a check engine light. The manifold has 2 hall sensors at the rear, and they track the position of the runner flaps. So your failure modes are going to be a runner flap stuck open or closed. I think it's called the actuated or non-actuated positions. And depending on what position it's in, that will determine if you're going to have the rough idle, the flat spots, or you're not really going to feel anything at all. You can perform this repair in about an hour, give or take, if it's your first time pulling the manifold. It's not terribly complex to do. Just a couple of tips in reference to replacing the manifold. They come from Peerberg. This is the OE manifold. These holes for the throttle body are untapped, but the existing screws are self-tapping. Outside of that, it's a very simple repair. You have the peace of mind of knowing you have an OE part and the correct gaskets and seals. This has been another really quick product review. If you like what you've seen, hit the like button below. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Thanks.